Hi and welcome. Just going to show off what I'm working on at the moment. It's kind of working on a game concept, hopefully for my next game. What I want to do is work with dimensions in the next game that I'll build, and obviously in 3D as well, since I'm in Unity. So with that, I've been experimenting with how I could, create dimension jumping in some form of way. And I don't mean the kind of like the special effects of like jumping through portholes and that lot. I mean how I could actually simulate content being in a game but only visible in certain dimensions. So what I've done is I've set up a multi-camera system. That's the system I've got at the moment. So we start up, then what you call it detects whether dimensions being requested to change into. It then selects the camera. It needs to be what you call it change to, and then obviously changes a few settings. As you can see in the scene, we have everything that's in the game. Nothing's hidden in the game directly, but I do have multiple cameras, and that does mean, depending on what camera I'm viewing, the user's viewing the game through, or depending on what they see. So in this view, they only see the emblem, and they can't interact with anything that's not visible. As you can see, different cameras. We'll go back. So that's the main camera, so that's the normal dimension. There we go, blue one. We go into camera 2, the sky turns green, and you can only see the pickup in what you call it on platform 2. Obviously the next dimension is yellow, then orange, then pink, and then red. And obviously, as you can see, the pickup moves there from right to left, depending on what dimension you're in. So that's the setup, and this is how it works. There's obviously no real gameplay in this. It's literally the case of you select the dimension you're in. So we're already in the main dimension. And I can see obviously the pickup for the main dimension. I jump to this one, it moves over, and have a pickup in this dimension. So this isn't the case of the block to be moved over. This is a completely separate pickup that's only visible and collectible in this dimension, which means I'll come over here, and even though there's a block here in the game, if I go back to my scene, as you can see the blocks are there, I just can't interact with it because I'm in the wrong dimension. Obviously I can interact with this one and go back, and it's gone. So we'll go back over here again, go back to the first dimension, that block's still there. I'll come over here, that one's gone now. And obviously there's a block pick up from each dimension. So that's what I'm working on. That's the idea. Yeah, so I'm working on that at the moment to see what I can do with it. Come up with some more game ideas, some game mechanics that will make a game a bit more interesting to play. So that's it. Catch you later.